Alright, what's going on, y'all? Here to do an unboxing video. Little background story. I have a few cars and they all have stereo systems in them. Every one of them has a set of L7s, kicker amps, like, 1200, 1500, 1800 watt amps. Power hungry. Every single one of my cars, you turn the bass up, the amp will cut off because it's just not being fed enough power. Even during the big three, it's just still not enough. So with this build with my Challenger, I just decided I wanted to do it right. I reached out to JS-Alternators and we talked for a while and we came up with a solution. Badass alternator right here. So I'm gonna be running all crossovers this time. 310s with a Crossfire 2000 watt amp and an 800 watt 4-channel amp for the mids and highs. So this is gonna be able to feed all my power I need for the car. So let's see what we got. And the shit is heavy. Let's see, man. Oh yeah, so let's see, looks like got a hat, little promotional hat, sunglasses. Let's see what this is, man. This is even better than just getting the alternator itself. Let's see, man. Nothing like a few goodies, man. Okay, I got some lanyards. Now I did tell them about my car, about my build and my future plans, and hopefully we'll be popping out all over during the summer. So it's nice to be able to support them as much as they're about to support me, with this alternator. Dang, even a bag, a little tote. Let's see here. Okay, we got some pins, promotional pins. This is cool. This is cool. I actually can appreciate all of this. Yeah, let's see on the business side of stuff. Along with this Challenger, everything's stock as far as the stereo system right now and the electrical system. So I actually ordered the big 3 upgrade too. So here we go with some wire. And we got the power wire for the big 3. And these also have the brass connections. Everything's been soldered on with the heat shrink. And this is the ground wires. Obviously they're black. Damn, that shit's like some solid core AGW 54 millimeter wire. It's pretty solid, man. Like I usually go stereo shops and like they don't sell you stuff like this. You get what they want to make money on, not actually some good quality oxygen free cable. This is nice. Oh, okay. Also, more promotional stuff. That looks cool. Check them out, social media. Definitely. Windshield banner also. I'll take that. Almost to the good stuff, y'all. Okay, we got stickers also. Actually, I'll probably definitely be running those. That red is looking good. All right, let's pop this out. Shit. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Let's see this. Oh man, they playing with me. Can't tell, I see a little red in there, but that's about it. I can't tell what it is. Let's go ahead and pull this out. That down. Oh yeah, man, y'all take a look at that. Custom powder coated to match the car. Man, they have so many options on the powder coating. I probably could have picked 100 different reds. Finally narrowed it down. I think this is actually gonna match my car. I have to take it outside and double check. But look at that, even the pulley's smaller. You got the fan blades in there for the alternator. Everything just looks of quality. This actually looks really good. Brass connector. Man, this is nice. So with the smaller pulley, they also tell you, before they even shipped it out, they let me know what belt I needed, serpentine belt. So I had to go a 1/2 inch smaller. They give you the part number so that you can go ahead and buy that before you even get to alternator, so you're ready to go once it shows up. And this one, I believe, yeah, this one's just gonna be plug and play. I don't have to get another harness or modify anything. I just take the old one out, pop this one in, boom. And let's see the last part of my big 3 kit. This came separately, probably because it's so dang heavy. Let's cut this open. All instructions for install. Oh, here's a big power wire. Okay, so this is gonna take me as far as I need to go. Some people take it all the way from the trunk to the front. This is gonna be long enough to do that. Dang, this is so solid, man. This is very nice. Let's see what this entails right here. All right, it's instructions for installing the big 3. So it tells you what you need to do before you install and how to install. And that's actually pretty nice. Instead of you having to look everything up, it's right here for you. Man, dude, I can't wait to get this put in. Shit. This is looking really good. I think it's 350 amps. And the stock one is 220. And that's not on a good day. I heard those are just specs. So they're 220 when they're bench tested, but when they're actually in a car, they run far less. When that bass starts hitting, voltage drops, and you're dead in the water. This will keep consistent voltage, and then it has an amperage to back it up. So I can run anything I want, and that 2,000 watts will definitely be handled by this. And I appreciate y'all, man. JS-Alternators. We're gonna get this put in. I'll get another video of that and a video of the install and hopefully the whole full trunk build out. And it should be looking good. Thanks for watching.